Hello everyone. Today, I've got an important tutorial for you. We're going to learn how to delete your Temu app account. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open the Temu app on your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the U tab at the bottom of the screen. It's that little icon. Within the U tab, you'll find various options. Look for Settings - it's usually represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the Settings menu, keep an eye out for Account Security. It's highlighted in green. Click on it to proceed. Alright, you're doing great. At the bottom, you'll spot the golden ticket - delete your Temu account. Click on that option. At this point, the app will likely provide you with some instructions. Take a moment to read through them. Once you're ready, check the box indicating that you understand and want to proceed. Then, hit the Continue button. Now, it's time to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select the appropriate option and hit Continue once again. Great job! A new interface will pop up. Here, you'll want to click on the final Continue Deleting button. Almost there. The last confirmation will appear. To seal the deal, click on Delete. And there you have it. You should receive a message stating that your account will be deleted within the next 7 days. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.